Hey, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man griddling style today. That's right, we are using my new little toy I got outside. Wait till you check this out. Smash burgers on the griddle. It's time to get dirty. So we're going to be using 80/20 hamburger meat. We're going to use, in my opinion, the best seasoning for hamburgers you will ever taste in your life. The Salty Sailor is going on here. You could use the original. You could use the Bayou. They are very good also. But as a smash burger right here, oh my gosh, we're gonna love it. We're gonna have a little onion on top. We're gonna actually do that on the griddle. We're gonna have a red tomato, little Great American cheese. Let's get started. Okay, let's make these. So we're gonna grab 1 pound of 80/20 hamburger. We're gonna put that right in the bowl. And we are gonna take some Salty Sailor. And I'm gonna mix some of that in there, just a little bit. So maybe a tablespoon of Salty Sailor. And we're gonna mix that all up. Nice and mixed. So I'm gonna take about enough to fill up my hand right here. And we're gonna mix that up, roll it up really well. Be gentle. Now remember with hamburger here, you don't want to be pressing it all in there. One of the good parts is with a really good hamburger, and there's a good tip here, is that you want to make sure that there's a good enough amount of air within the hamburger. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some Salty Sailor right on top. We'll need a great deal amount. I'm going to press it in there a little bit. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to flip this over. I'm telling you right now, this might be one of the best hamburgers you ever tasted in your life. Using the Salty Sailor. Let's take this outside. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little olive oil. Put some right here in the pan. And mix that around right in here. And then I'm going to throw the onions right on top. Look at that. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up really good. Throw some original dirt. Alright, so I have medium heat on these two burners here. I have a low over here and no heat going here, so in that case I need to move things over. Okay, why did I choose a Camp Chef over a Blackstone? Well, first of all, if you own a Blackstone, I think Blackstones are great griddles also. They are almost as equally as great as a Camp Chef. I just really, when I looked at it with the features, and the quality of it, I just thought Camp Chef was just a little bit better. And so I'm now a Camp Chef guy, and I absolutely love this. The Dirt Man loves this griddle. It's fantastic. Okay, now I'm going to throw just a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to mix that up right on here to put the hamburgers on. Look at those onions, they're coming together really well. Oh yeah, listen to that sound. Alright, so let's do the smash part. Smashing these down as flat as I can get them. Push. What we're working on here is trying to get an amazing crust. Onions are almost done. Okay, so now we can look on here and see they're cooked about halfway through. Now let's flip them over. Let's check this out. Oh yeah, look at that crust. Crust is not only from the griddle, but also from the salty sailor. Look how beautiful it looks. So we're gonna throw some buns right on top. Let me get that crusted. You like yours crusted that way, Josh?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's heat them up a little bit. All right, now we're gonna put some cheese right on top. Picture that coming off. Well, let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Look at that, Josh. Dirty onions on top. Oh yeah. That was easy. Okay, now I get to try these beautiful, dirty smash burgers off the Camp Chef Griddle. They're amazing. So I love a little sriracha on mine instead of ketchup. And then I'm gonna put a little tomatoes right there. I'm gonna cut this open here. Oh yeah, Josh, get a close up on that. Look at the juices. Okay, let's try this bad boy. A salty sailor, and hamburgers are just better on a griddle. They just are absolutely fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just juicy as heck. So good. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, share with your friends, all your family, anybody you can think of, and check us out for our next videos. And remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.